Question given x by y plus y by x equal to minus 1. Then what is the value of x cube minus y cube? We know that, first solve it. What is the LCM of xy? xy divided by y, you will get x square plus y square equal to minus y. Understood? Then it can be written as x square plus y square equal to minus xy. Understood? X square plus y square minus xy here. If you move into another side, it will be plus xy. Will be 0. Okay? Then what is the value of x cube minus y cube? We know that a cube and a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y whole into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay? Already we got here x square plus y square plus xy, that is equal to 0. That implies x minus y into 0. Whose value is 0. So x cube minus y cube equal to 0 if x by y plus y by x equal to minus 1. Understood?